printed doll's house. I know how much you love the other dollhouse video I have of the pop-up paper dollhouse. So I thought I would make another one. I do love those 3D printed dollhouse puzzles. I have one I got for Christmas, and it works nicely because Playmobils are my hobby, and the Playmobils fit very nicely into those printed, painted, pre-cut dollhouse puzzles. So I'd love to get a couple more. They are a little bit expensive. They're like, I don't know, between $20 and $30 a piece, but they're really cute. So I do recommend them. They're nice, but just have somebody who knows how to put them together. My brother, it's his department. I'm not the put-together type person. But if you're going to search for them, look for 3D printed puzzles dollhouse. Those are the words. So I hope you enjoy looking at my puzzle dollhouse.